Hello, everybody. So today I wanted to share with you some exciting information from ReactOS. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any time at all, you know that I really liked ReactOS. And so I wanted to share this information with you in case you happen to like it also. So as you can see, ReactOS has introduced a unified live install media and a new storage driver. Now, ReactOS, as the open source Windows operating system project striving for binary compatibility with Microsoft Windows, has seen some exciting improvements this week. ReactOS developers shared with Phoronix that they now have a unified boot CD to replace their previous separate boot and install media and their live CD. The new unified media combines both their traditional text mode installer and their live CD image. Their new ISO aims to support a future first stage GUI installer and all around better than their previous separate media, while a GUI installer will be more approachable for new users compared to the text mode installer. Now, this pull request has been open since September of 2024 for merging their boot CD and live CD assets into an all-in-one ReactOS boot CD. Now, after a long time coming, this week, that code was merged for the unified all-in-one media. And another exciting development merged recently is that they're even longer in the making is their new ATA storage driver. This plug-and-play aware ATA storage stack works across SATA, PATA, ATAPI, and AHCI devices and should significantly broaden the variety of systems on which ReactOS can successfully boot. Now, this pull introducing the new ATA storage driver has been in the making since early 2024. Now, this week also marked ReactOS 0.4.16 having been branched. Release candidate builds of ReactOS 0.4.16 will be out soon with these changes and more. Now, nightly builds are also beginning for what will become ReactOS 0.4.17. Those wanting to try the latest ReactOS builds can find them on reactos.org. Now, you can go and download that, and you can have that install live CD where you can boot directly to it, and you can test out ReactOS to see if you like it. Or, of course, you can go ahead and install it as well. But I really like ReactOS because it's open source, it works with your Windows software, and I thought a lot of you might like to try this out. So if that's something you're interested in, look down in the video description. I'm going to have a link to their website. I'm also going to have a link so you can download the 0.4.16 version of ReactOS. And then, of course, if you want to try the nightly build, it's going to be 0.4.17. I'll have a link for it as well. So if you want to try any of those out, just go and download it and you can test them out. So I hope that was interesting and also helpful in case you happen to use ReactOS. That's going to allow for you to be able to boot directly to the live CD and install it if you so choose. And then you also will have the new driver to be able to support SATA, PATA, ATAPI, and AHCI devices. So it's going to be installed on a lot more devices where it'll be compatible. Now, if you do happen to have any questions, or maybe you just want me to go into a little bit more depth about this, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well. And I will do my best to get back to you and create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left the link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like, have you heard that ReactOS came out with a new live boot CD and a new driver to support more drives? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.